Okay.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra,
Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping back by my YouTube page. In today's video, I'll be doing a review on this unit. But first, I'm going to show you guys what I do to my unit if I feel like it needs some customization. Let's get into how the packaging is on this wig. Also, this is how the unit comes out of the bag. The unit is pre-plucked already, but I like to go in and bleach and wash my unit. So this is how the hair looks out of the bag. This is how the lace look. And this is how the unit looks when I bleach it. I am using the Quick Blue, and I'm also using a 20 volume developer. I did over bleach the unit just a tad bit, but I'm gonna go back and fix it, and I'm plucking the unit like so. This is how the unit looks after I plucked it and put some foundation on it. It does come with 4 combs, adjustable straps. This is how the unit looks after I wash it. As you can see, the curl pattern is gone, but we're going to fix that. So inside the baggie that they provide you with is their little brochure. Inside the bag, it does come with 2 stocking caps, a beauty blender, an edge comb, 2 headbands. Also, they give you these earrings. So this is how I'm going to install my unit today. I'm going to use Mold-Length lace adhesive, the olive oil, mousse and Miss Erica J Fluff stuff, and don't forget the handy dandy alcohol. So I'm going to clean my perimeter, and I'm going to use 2 layers of the Mold-Length lace adhesive. And this is me fitting the wig on my head just to see how it would look. So this is how the unit looks on my head. So I won't be before you any longer. Let's get right into this video. And guys, stay tuned to the end for my final thoughts on this wig. Also guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. See you guys on my final thoughts at the end of the video. thanks for staying to the end. And you know what time it is? It's my final thoughts. So my final thoughts on this wig is really nice. The quality of the hair is nice. I did use, as you've seen in my video, I used the Pantene Pro V conditioner. I used Miss Erica J Fluff Stuff. And I did experience some shedding in this unit. I'm thinking because I plucked the hairline and things like that. It's the only time I experienced shedding. Other than that, the hair quality is good. Now, like I said, I pointed out, because the lace is like a, I would say 4x4, it's like right here, and you get this much lace on your ear tabs, like that much lace. So you're going to see like the tracks and stuff a little, but not really. Is lace right here. So basically from here to here, that's where the lace stops on the side. From here all the way back, that's where the lace stops in the middle. On this side is the same thing. It's from here to here. I really like this hair. Look at the curls on this wig. It's really pretty. So if you guys are interested in this unit, the link will be in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Also, if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you enjoy what I'm bringing to you guys. Stay tuned for next week for another video. Talk to you soon in my next one. Bye.